FOX Enhanced Q3S shocks, a 14-inch multimedia display, and Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. The 2027 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro might be one of the most capable factory-built off-road trucks in its class. The final reveal puts its biggest capability upgrade into perspective. Hello and welcome back to AutoVerse. Today, we're taking a closer look at the updated 2027 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, which gains revised off-road hardware and technology while Toyota introduces the separate Trailhunter package. The TRD Pro remains the performance-focused choice, positioned against trucks like the Ford F-150 Raptor and Ram 1500 RHO, with full specifications still forthcoming. Let's start with the front, where the TRD Pro carries its heritage-inspired Toyota grille, integrated LED light bar, marker lights, and reshaped bumper designed around its off-road mission. Along the side, the TRD Pro retains its high-clearance off-road character, while Toyota's current TRD Pro formula includes 18-inch BBS forged wheels, all-terrain tires, and a lifted suspension. For 2027, Toyota also adds the new honeycomb exterior color. At the rear, the truck retains its practical bed and rugged proportions, while standard red tow hooks and updated trim reinforce the TRD Pro's purpose-built visual identity. Inside, the Tundra's truck-focused dashboard carries forward its driver-oriented layout while receiving one of Toyota's clearest 2027 upgrades, the latest generation audio multimedia system with a standard 14-inch display. The larger interface gives drivers more screen area for navigation, vehicle information, and connected functions without relying on a smaller central panel. The new system also brings added connectivity and technology features designed to make daily interaction easier when the truck switches between work duty and long-distance adventure travel. Toyota has additionally confirmed Safety Sense 4.0 as standard for 2027, bringing the latest generation of its driver assistance technology into the cabin experience. The standout change is therefore not decoration, it's how much more capable and usable the digital interface becomes. The TRD Pro's hardware remains centered on serious trail use, with four-wheel drive, off-road suspension, all-terrain tires, and equipment designed to maintain control when surfaces become loose or uneven. Toyota's updated TRD Pro also receives newly designed and Tundra-tuned FOX Enhanced Q3S shocks, while the new Trailhunter package broadens the Tundra lineup toward factory-built overlanding. That distinction matters. Buyers can choose the performance-oriented TRD Pro or pursue the Trailhunter's adventure-focused formula. Toyota has also confirmed the 14-inch multimedia display and TSS 4.0 across the 2027 Tundra lineup, giving both packages stronger technology credentials. Under the hood, Toyota has not yet released complete 2027 Tundra powertrain specifications. The current TRD Pro uses the iForce Max 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid, producing 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet, so a continuation is plausible, but not officially confirmed for 2027. That system has already given the Tundra strong low-end response and towing capability. Toyota says complete 2027 details will arrive in fall, so final output and specifications should be treated as pending. Safety takes a significant step forward with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 becoming standard on the 2027 Tundra. While Toyota has not yet published every individual system detail, TSS 4.0 represents the latest generation of Toyota's driver assistance technology. For a full-size truck used on highways, trails, and daily commutes, that software upgrade matters because advanced assistance can help reduce driver workload without changing the Tundra's body-on-frame character. Toyota has not announced 2027 TRD Pro pricing yet. The 2026 TRD Pro starts at $72,565, giving us a useful reference point, so a 2027 figure around the low to mid $70,000 range would be plausible, but remains an estimate. Its targets include the Ford F-150 Raptor and Ram 1500 RHO, while Trailhunter gives Toyota another factory-built answer for overlanding buyers. Now we reach the detail that could matter most, the TRD Pro's new FOX Enhanced Q3S shocks. Toyota says this hardware specifically updates the TRD Pro's off-road suspension, with adjustable damping engineered to help provide improved control across changing terrain. For buyers who actually leave pavement, that upgrade could make the 2027 Tundra's chassis one of its most compelling reasons to choose it over rivals.
Don't forget to subscribe to AutoVerse for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow. Today, Which feature impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.